I just wanna... Fucking bird is back. Get the fuck out of here. Shoo! Shoo! Don't make me get the pie pan. Just fucking ignore the bird, man. Like, you finally came up with an idea for a video. You can talk about the thing you want to. Just ignore the fucking bird. You can do it. You can do it. I can't fucking do it. I can't fucking ignore the bird. Fuck off. Shoo! I'm getting the fucking pie pan. God fuck it. It's been like this the entire fucking summer with this fucking thing. Like, I don't know if it's like just sees its reflection in the window or if it's just actually fucking with me. Shoo! 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 Fuck off. Like, you know what? If it was just fucking just staying there, it'd be fine. But it's like dancing about, like fluttering. Like, first time it showed up, I thought it was fucking shoo. Shoot, I thought it was fucking just wounded or something, then it flew fucking away. Oof, I fucking hate you, fucking cunt. I'm trying to fucking help you here. We got a fucking hood cat here now that we apparently just own. So, like, if you want to be eaten by that fucker, or the bear, but the bear fucking seems to like the fucking birdseed more than the... Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off, you dumb bird. Okay. Got the fucking message. Fucking prick. Goddamn. Like, what? See, this is why I don't fucking give a shit about cats killing those fucking goddamn rats with fucking wings. So, anyways. The video. The thing that I wanted to talk about was... Motherfuck. I fucking forgot it because of the damn fucking bird. You know, maybe the picture will fucking help me. Nope, it's just a fucking possum with a helmet on. That tells me nothing. God fucking... You know what, I gotta find a rock. I'll fucking come back with a better video later, sometime, hopefully.